Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Kaustubh. We are back with another video, and today I will be showing you on how you can use your smartphone camera, yes sir, this camera for your Zoom video conference app. So it's quite easy, you don't have to do a lot of things. It's quite simple, all of you can follow the procedure. So first of all, you need to download an app called as Droid Cam. So just head over to the Google Play Store and search for Droid Cam. So here it is, just click on it and you will get this app, Droid Cam wireless webcam. So just install it, standard procedure, you know how to install an app. Just install it, then open the app, and after opening the app you will get this IP addresses, which is the Wi-Fi IP. So this is the IP address which we want. After opening this app, just keep your phone to the side and let's move towards the PC. So guys, after installing the app on your Android smartphone, you have to install the Windows client for Droid Cam. So this is the Windows client which I have already installed. Go to the link in the description box below. So if you click on that link, you will go here. On this link, here you can see there is the Droid Cam client. So just click on it and just download it up. And after downloading and installing the setup, you will get this, which is the Droid Cam software which you need. So just open it up. So after downloading the app, just open the app on your smartphone and you will get this IP address about 192.168. So this is what's showing me, and make sure your laptop is connected to the same network as of your phone. So it should be the same network, then only this will work. Otherwise you will have to use USB method, tethering method. So here I have inputted the IP address and just click on start, and this will start pretty much. So as you can see, the video has started to roll. So now this is directly coming from the smartphone camera which I have been through the app which is running on my smartphone. So just minimize it, keep it open, and keep your phone somewhere stable on a tripod, and then go into the Zoom app. So this is the Zoom client. You must be knowing the Zoom client. You can also install it from the link in the description below. Open it up, sign in, and when I click on new meeting, so it's directly taking the video input right from my smartphone. As of now, I can change it to anything I want. I can use the HP HD webcam. So this is the HP HD webcam. Otherwise I can change the video input to Droid Cam Source 3 also. So this is this is how it is looking right now. I don't know how the video is a bit flipped, but I guess you can pretty much turn the video over and it should work. Okay, so guys, right now this is coming directly from my smartphone, and the video is a bit like lagging because of my internet connection. So that's not an issue, but you can use directly this, or this is the quality from your smartphone, which is quite good, I must say. The angle is quite wide, and if I switch to the HP HD webcam, so this is the angle, and this video is not that great. You can see like it is not that great in quality, but if you switch it to the Droid Cam app, by just keep the client open below, so this is how it will look, which is a lot better in my opinion. So that's how you can do it. So that's how you can connect your smartphone directly to your laptop. So that's about it pretty much. I hope you guys like the video, and if you like it, then do hit the like button, and also subscribe to my channel, as well as I've uploaded a lot of videos on my channel, so do check it out. So that's about it. This is your boy Kaustubh from T2 signing off. You guys have a great day.